XTI Aerospace has partnered with Maglev Aero to develop an electric propulsion system for aircraft. The collaboration aims to integrate Maglev's proprietary Maglev hyperdrive technology into XTI's future hybrid electric aircraft architectures, potentially enhancing aircraft speed, range, reliability, noise profile, and vertical lift performance. The Maglev hyperdrive system uses magnetic levitation to stabilize and eliminate rim drive friction in a tip-driven ducted fan system. This design enables ultra-quiet, high-speed, and low-maintenance propulsion, making it suitable for unmanned aerial vehicles and piloted aircraft. According to Scott Pomeroy, chairman and CEO of XTI, part of our product roadmap includes a piloted hybrid electric version of the tri-fan as well as unmanned aerial vehicles. We believe the Maglev innovations can enable us to produce drones that are significantly more efficient than existing market offerings, allowing them to fly more mission types and capture more customer segments. The partnership includes a non-binding pre-order for up to 100 Maglev hyperdrive propulsion systems, contingent upon successful completion of technical and integration milestones, execution of final commercial agreements, and successful integration of Maglev's technology into XTI's aircraft designs. Ian Randall, co-founder, president, and CEO of Maglev, stated, "Magnetic levitation has not been used in operational aircraft propulsion before, and we believe Maglev and XTI are the right partners to push the boundaries of what's possible in aerospace. Our Maglev hyperdrive was developed to unlock new capabilities for electric flight, enhancing speed, safety, and sustainability, and we are excited to work with XTI to bring these advancements to life." This collaboration represents a potentially significant technological advancement in electric aviation, addressing critical limitations in current electric aircraft designs. If successful, the Maglev hyperdrive technology could substantially improve the efficiency, range, and performance of XTI's aircraft, particularly in the military and civilian UAV markets. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.